got an undiagnosed sleep disorder. And a lot of shopping to do. This looks promising.
Why don't you just take Richie to church? He'll probably go once and be awful. It's just like the fajitas. Do you remember he kept seeing those commercials and all he wanted was fajitas? It was fajitas, fajitas, fajitas. And then you finally took him and he got scared of that sizzling plate and that was the end of fajitas. I'm sure it'll be the exact same thing.
It's so weird the way he gets obsessed with these things, you know? Oh, could they cut these onions any thicker? Oh, this is wrong. Anyway, I'm not a bad person for not wanting to take Richie to church, you know. I have my reasons.
Such as?
Well, for one thing, they're mean to gay people. They don't pay their taxes.
Do you pay your taxes?
Hey, I'm handicapped. Besides, I'm plenty spiritual about church.
Oh.
I meditate.
When?
In the tub.
Well, that's not meditating, that's magic.
Shut up!